Welcome back to the channel, fam. Okay, DJs, let me ask you something. How many times have you been setting up and you've got cables hanging everywhere? You got a lavalier pack dangling off a speaker. You got your tube lights all over the place, or you're wishing you had one clean, easy place to mount a mic, a camera, or your headphones without duct tape or zip ties or some DIY thing. Every DJ's been there. And honestly, it drives me nuts. And that is exactly why I'm launching an entirely new accessories line here at Bunn Gear. This is something I've been quietly working on behind the scenes for the past couple of months. And today, we are finally rolling it out. So here's the backstory. A little while ago, I was buying these 3D printed DJ parts from another DJ in the industry who was designing some really brilliant stuff. Things that DJs needed, but nobody was making. The problem was he just couldn't keep up with the demand. He got overwhelmed with orders. And I loved these pieces so much and saw how much potential there was that I eventually bought the designs, bought the company, trimmed down the product list, and then decided to add them to the Bunn Gear line of products. It just made sense. We are now printing everything completely in-house on high-speed 3D printers. It's me and my godson Tanner, who, by the way, absolutely lives and breathes 3D printing. This kid is on another level, and a few other printer owners. I'm just now getting into this world myself. I'm nerding out on it so hard that my Instagram feed is basically one giant 3D printing rabbit hole every time I open the app. We've been running the printers non-stop, building inventory for you guys, testing the strength, testing the fit, upgrading the materials, all so we can launch these the right way, without delays, without back orders, and without the headaches. So starting today, Bunn Gear is officially offering a brand new line of 3D printed DJ accessories. These are real, functional tools that solve everyday DJ problems and make your setup cleaner, tighter, and more professional. If you know my brand, if you followed Bunn Gear at all, you already know this has been my mission from day one. Clean setups, smart gear, elevate the look of the room and your setup. No more banquet tables, no more wrinkled linens, no more loose cables, leaning tubes, or 100 ugly lighting stands behind you. Everything should look intentional. These accessories fit right into that same philosophy. We've also got clips that finally keep the tube lights exactly where they're supposed to be. We've got clean solutions for your wireless packs, your cameras, your mics, your headphones, all the little stuff that makes our rigs better, but nobody ever manufactures. These pieces are lightweight, they're strong, and sized specifically for DJ gear. They're not generic hardware store stuff. None of this stuff existed for DJs. Today, we can literally design and print something that solves a problem by the end of the day. That's the power of doing this in-house. We can iterate, we can improve, we can listen to you guys and update the designs or incorporate new ones if they're needed. We're not stuck waiting on some factory overseas to take months to make one prototype only for it to be wrong again. And like I said, everything you see here was printed by us right here. We're launching 13 products. I'm not gonna break down every single one because that would take all day, but they're built around the same idea. Cleaner booths, faster setups, less clutter, more reliability. And most importantly, these are affordable and accessible for every DJ, not just the ones buying high-end gear or charging super high-end prices. As you guys know, I've been doing this DJ thing for a long time. And every year, DJs are pushing to look more polished, more intentional, more premium. That's been the mission of Bunn Gear from the start, like I said, and this new 3D printed accessories line is just the next step, giving you practical tools that solve real problems that we all deal with week after week. We've built up the inventory now and we're ready to ship, and I couldn't be more excited to finally show you what we've been working on. If you see something you need for your setup, or if you just want to support the brand, head over to bunngear.com and grab the accessories that fit your rig. More products are coming and more designs are already in the works. This is just the beginning. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave your comments below on what you want to see us make. I'll be reading and responding to those personally. Thanks, guys.